it's Renee. I'm here with my last and final Cat's Meow, and this is from Beth. And Beth had been feeling under the weather for quite some time, so I'm so happy that you're feeling well enough to craft. That always makes me feel better. Okay, I will read this as a long letter. I know. Thanks, Beth. So look at this. Gold, black, awesome. All right, so let's get right into it. Oh God, everything's just look at this. So I'm like, that's our envelope, and it's full of stuff inside, a letter opener, little pens and pencils. But where did you get this from? This is so cute. Another pencil inside there, and then it clips here. And then I love gold. I love gold. I love silver. Ooh. What, I love this. I've never, ever, ever seen enamel dots in this shiny gold. This is awesome. I love it, and I love the different sizes. All of this is so cute. Thank you so much, Beth. I love that. Okay. That's cute. Heidi! I love this. I just looked at this. It wasn't shiny though. I love that. That is really cute. Thank you. Ah, yes. This is cute. I love it. Oh my God, Beth, this is awesome. Look at these. Adventure, life is good. I just started making, I don't know if you and Mary, maybe you guys just think the way I think, or you know how I think. I just started making like a bunch of pocket letters for no reason, and they're black, white, and gold. And so now this, oh, look at that little journal. Yes, and I can always use this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love that. That's cute. I love that. All right. I think with all the stuff that I got with the initial R or an L, I could probably make a charm out of everyone's things. Cupcakes. All right, cupcake wrappers. Christine made some card candy, and she used cupcake wrappers and she made them like little flowers, and then she put like stuff in the middle of them. These are cute. Little fabric bows, sort of like burlap bows. I can always use tissue paper. Thank you so much. I love it. I love it all. Okay. Only a couple more packages. And I can't even open them. All right. Pretty bow. Pretty. Is this the tattered big shot one? Tattered flowers. This is the same one Mary got me, but that's okay. I love this. And oh, maybe I should open this one. That one seems serious. That one seems serious, huh? This is so much fun. This has been an awesome month. It's overwhelming in a way. I love it. I love it. I love that. Thank you. These are beautiful. Okay. I gotta learn how to use all this stuff. Wow, what is this? This is awesome. Okay. Hold on. I don't know if you guys can see. This is, wow. Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this? Oh wow. This is, oh, now, oh. Can somebody tell me how you do this? How do you punch the holes in here? How do you put the eyelets in? I gotta know how to do that. That's like the next thing I got. Somebody's gotta show me how to do that because that's like the next thing I have to learn how to do. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Look at, wow. Okay, so I guess you really have felt better. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I don't even know. Oh my goodness. How do you see? See, you guys know my. This is, I don't even know where to. This is awesome. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, Beth, this is absolutely beautiful. Look, I'm putting it in the wrong thing. So much more organized than I typically am. Love that paper. That is really nice. I don't even know how to keep it from falling apart. I love this paper. Look at that, you guys. Stuff just everywhere. Okay. I love it. This is really cute. And this paper is gorgeous. It just, look at all of that. Oh, I love it, Beth. Thank you so much. It's going to take me a while to work my way through figuring out everything that this album has to offer. It's gorgeous. The colors are beautiful. It's beautiful. And I thank you so very much for taking the time out. And I'm really, really happy that you're feeling better and that you're back crafting with us. This is awesome. It really is. Thank you so much for taking the time out to put something together so sweet and so special for me. Everything has been absolutely fabulous. I thank all the ladies over at Mini Album Scraps and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of this year and a wonderful, wonderful new year for 2016. Have a good one. Bye-bye.